All right, good morning. I hope you are doing well. Today, we are going to be going over how to do one step dimensional analysis. For some of you, this has been a review. You've potentially done this in a math class or in a previous science class. But this will be really important, especially as we go into chemistry, to understand um, how we can basically convert between one unit to the next. So let's say you measured something in inches incorrectly, but you need to know what that was in centimeters for this class. So you would need to be able to convert from inches to centimeters. So we're going to briefly go over how to do that one more time today. If you have questions during this lesson, please make sure you come up and ask. Happy to help you as you work. So the first question, what is a conversion factor? These are equal and they are typically a 1-to-1 ratio of two different units. So the one that you're really, really familiar with and you know and you understand is that for every foot, there are 12 inches. And so the conversion factor is 12 inches to 1 foot or 1 foot to 12 inches. And we have a lot of known conversion factors. Um, and so we're able to basically look up the conversion factors between the different units that we're going to use in this class. So if you go to Google Classroom and you come back to Lesson 7 Dimensional Analysis, you can click on that conversion factor chart and it looks something like this. And so you see all of these different units that we might use in science. So we have SI unit meter. Those are all of your meters going between kilometers to maybe miles or meters to yards, going back and forth between English and then meters. And then mass, we have kilograms and pounds and ounces. We even have an AMU as a measurement that's really, really, really small, and we use when we're talking about atoms. We have temperature and volume, as well as pressure and energy. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to get familiar with these conversion units. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your worksheet for today. And you'll see right here that you have a bunch of things that you need to convert between. Okay, so what I want you to do is you're going to start here and you're going to say, okay, how many inches are in a centimeter, or how many centimeters are in an inches, or in an inch. So you're going to come and you're going to find this on your conversion chart. And so what I noticed is that right here, oh boy, maybe I can't write on that. Let's see. Right here, we have inches to centimeters, and it's 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. So all I have to do is I'm going to come back to my assignment, and then right here, I'm going to write 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Okay, I'm gonna have you pause this video. Don't move on until you have completed this entire section. There is a key on the board if you want to check your work before moving on.